In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add clickable Shopify store link to TikTok bio. Adding a link to your TikTok bio is a simple way to guide viewers from short videos to your Shopify store. When people tap your bio link, they can go straight to where you sell products without searching or guessing. Let us walk through the exact steps together slowly and clearly so you can set it up in just a minute or two. First, open TikTok on your browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. You want to begin from the main TikTok page you use for posting and viewing your own profile. On screen, look for the profile area. When you are ready, tap Profile in the bottom right corner. This brings you to your personal TikTok profile page, where your bio is displayed and where your link will live. Take a moment to confirm that you are viewing your own page, not someone else's profile. Next, you will need to enter the editing mode for your profile. From your profile page, tap Edit Profile. This is the section where TikTok lets you customize details like your bio text and other profile information. If you do not see Edit Profile right away, try scrolling slightly on the profile page until the option appears. Once Edit Profile is visible, tap it to open the editing screen. This step matters because the link field is located inside the bio editing area. After that, find the bio option. When you enter the editing screen, tap Bio. This is where you can update the content that appears under your profile name. Think of the bio as your short description plus the action you want people to take. Since we are adding a clickable link, you will paste your Shopify store link into the correct field associated with the bio. Be careful to tap the right bio section so you do not accidentally edit another part of your profile. Now you will paste your web link. Look for the field where TikTok asks you to add or edit the website link. Tap inside that web link field, then paste your Shopify store link. If you are copying the link from Shopify beforehand, make sure you paste the full address exactly as it appears. Also, confirm that the link is the one you want customers to visit, such as your main store homepage or a specific landing page connected to your store. Once the link is pasted, review it briefly to ensure it loaded correctly and there are no missing characters. Finally, save your changes. After the link is in place, tap Save. This tells TikTok to apply your update to your profile immediately or very shortly after. Give it a moment. Then you can check your bio to see that the link is displayed and ready to be tapped by viewers. This last step is important because without saving, TikTok will not keep your updates. To make sure everything looks correct, return to your profile view and take a quick look at your bio line. Your Shopify store link should appear there and be clickable for people who view your profile from TikTok. If you do not see it right away, refresh the page or wait a moment for the update to load. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.